WoodUBend wood products are bendable. They're even cuttable with an X-Acto knife. How can a wood product be so flexible? There are many tools that you can use to heat your WoodUBend products. First is the hairdryer. This one will take the longest due to its lowest temperature of about 197 degrees. Most people have one, and it may be the cheapest too, but it will work. Next is the embossing tool, 450 to 600 degrees, much faster than the hairdryer and very small too. Next is the large heat gun, 700 and 1000 degrees. Great for the large pieces as you see done here. Once heated, you can wrap it around pretty much over anything. The only bad thing is if it's too hot, you could burn it. Next is the toaster oven. Set the temperature to 200 degrees, turn it on. Once heated, place your material inside the oven and let it sit for approximately 3 minutes. Once it's done, it is all ready to go. The griddle at medium heat works well. Just make sure you use a little bit of aluminum foil or parchment paper before you use it. Thank you for watching this video on what to use to heat WoodUBend products. We will bring you more in-depth videos on the projects you saw today. You can buy these heating products or any products from WoodUBend in the links below. Are you part of the Ken's crew? No worries. Look for the link below that says Ken's Crew Headquarters. This is the go-to place for our fans in helping them save money on products, product reviews, and tutorials. In fact, using any of the links below helps support this channel, and for that, we thank you. Stay up to date on everything by subscribing to our channel. Make sure to click on that bell icon so you can be notified when we post a video or when we go live. Here are some videos that you may also enjoy, and again, thanks for watching.